Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how I made this delicious Easter special food. Please make sure you watch to the end and also help me to share. Thank you. So I have all my spices mixed together: thyme, oregano, basil, paprika powder, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, salt, chicken flavor, and some seasoning powder. So I'm just going to mix everything together and add some olive oil. Then I'm going to pour it in my chicken. I'm going to mix thoroughly. As you can see, I used the ancho for this because I don't want it to stain my hands. So I also put some cuts in the chicken so that all the spices will go in properly. So I had to cover and let it stay for some time. So I've already washed my carrot. As you can see, the water is very clean. I used apple cider vinegar to wash it. So now I'm going to parboil the potato on the fire a little bit, okay? So I already cut my carrots and the bell pepper, the mixed bell pepper. After letting the potatoes cook for like 3 minutes, I'm going to remove the water and let it cool down. I have also my broccoli here with my mixed bell pepper. Now I'm going to add thyme, cayenne pepper, paprika powder, like all the spices, okay? So I'm going to mix thoroughly. After adding everything, I'm also going to add salt and all. After doing that, I'm going to make sure that I mix thoroughly, that everything is just in. I also added some onions and black pepper. So guys, that's how you do it. I love this food and I love vegetables a lot. The reason why I parboiled the potato, I'll say parboil, is because I like the potato to be a little bit soft, okay? I don't like it to be too hard when it's in the oven. I mean, like after grilling it. So now I'm going to add the chicken, like everything, okay? The potatoes, the vegetables, and then I'm going to put it in the oven on the highest, like 250 degrees. So I'm going to put the first part, and as you can see, after the first part was okay, I had to turn it, okay, for the other side to be grilled as well. So I'm just going to make sure that I flip everything, and after doing that, I'm going to put it in the oven again. Guys, this recipe is very easy to prepare and I really love it. We enjoy the food, and as you can see, the food is ready. That's how I prepare this delicious healthy potato, vegetables, and chicken you are seeing here. Thank you so much for watching from the start to the end. Please help me to share the video, like, comment. Don't forget that you can also follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple, and please follow my Facebook page. Thank you so much. I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video. We really enjoyed it. Bye.